Okay, welcome back to episode 4 of the AFTN bike build. Shakedown last week. This week's going to be your first race on it. So we need to put some stickers on this bike and we'll just get right into it. Okay, first things first, I need to make sure these plastics are dry and clean. It's been raining a lot lately, so just got a bit of brake clean. Wipe them down, make sure they're nice and dry and free of any dirt and oil. Just got to rip a couple of these stickers off. A bit of heat definitely helps get some off.
And why do they have to come?
I'm going to pull them off because you don't want to lay the new stickers on over the top, otherwise they'll look no good. Oh shit. Let's put these ones off. And there's one more on the rear guard. Okay, I'll just go back to the front. And there's a bit of leftover sticker residue. So just got to get that off too, otherwise the sticker won't stick. Righto, it's all done. I'll have to pull the fork guards off, but I'll do that later. Just got to pull the wheel out to get the bolts out. Just ripping the seat off, just so it's a bit easier to change. Put the stickers on. Sometimes they roll up underneath the seat. With the stickers, I find it's easier to just pick the flattest sort of surface you can first and ease into it. On this Honda, I think probably this shroud here, this number plate here, sorry, is probably the flattest. It's still a little bit wet. Just wipe it down. And what I like to do is just line the sticker up without the backing. If the backing's still on it, just line it up so you sort of know where you're going. And I'll just find like an edge to line up with. So I can line this edge up here and this edge up here. So that way I know we're going pretty straight. Just peel a bit off. And the same again. And I just like to stick a little bit on and then line your edges up again. That way you know you're still running straight and where you want. And just take your time, massage it in a bit. Make sure it's still running straight. Okay, there is a bit of a crease where the sticker steps up, but I just find get the heat gun. You don't need much. You don't need much heat. Just work it in there. Roll that over. Line that up there. Beautiful. And just get the heat gun again and just put a bit of heat over it. Just helps soften it up a bit. Massage it in a bit more. And then I might need to trim that corner up a bit. Sometimes the sticker can stretch if you really like. Push it in there like that and you can actually stretch the sticker out. So it is a little bit, just going to overhang that, because what will happen there, that will lift and the sticker will start peeling up. But I'll do that after we finish the whole kit. And they're the sticky marks from my fingers. All right, I might do the shroud next. Okay, so I got the shroud sticker here, and same again, just make sure that you can line some edges up, see where the sticker wants to sit and where it needs to go and how it's going to feel. Yeah, I reckon probably end up starting, don't know where actually, maybe something like that. We'll follow these ones along here. Just line that up a bit. Might need to just try and bring it down ever so slightly. It's gonna be running good. Pull that off. And same again. Just keep massaging it. Actually, I think I'm a bit too far this way, because otherwise the sticker's going to fall off the end of the guard. No, that's staying. Alright, we'll work with it. Probably another thing is just stop the bubbles. You probably nearly will always, not always, but it's probably there's a fair chance that you will get some. But just work slowly, massage certain bits in at a time. Find sometimes it's a bit easier if you just strip that off. That way you're not hanging on to so much of it. Yeah, the stick is steered up a little bit. And then right there where the two sort of angles meet, this angle and here, it's like that, and then these ones, just get a bit of heat. heat gun into it. And just try and massage the crease out of it like that. All right. There is one tiny little bubble in it there, which is frustrating. All right, I reckon I'll do the next side. I'll end up starting from here and then go that way, just so you get this a bit nicer. Looks a bit nicer. Just need to come along there and trim that little bit off. All right. Okay, so I got the rear guard. Same again, I just like to sit it on there, line it all up. But I think the side plate's gonna have to come off, just so it's a bit easier because the plastics, it sits down underneath it like that. So I'll just quickly rip these off. I think what we'll do with this one is probably start from the center, work up, because this is nice and flat, and then work down and around, hopefully. Hopefully it all goes to plan. We'll start big. Rip the whole lot off. Sweet. There's another bubble. Oh no. I think that one's in there now. I'll stretch the sticker too much if I try again. You won't see that one. The shroud covers that one. This front guard sticker looks like it might be a bit of a nightmare. So we'll see how we go. We might get lucky. Yeah, and I'll probably just trim those last little bits off. Back there, otherwise the sticker will probably lift up. Get the heat gun again. Not sure why, but the sticker is not sticking. Other than that, it come up pretty good. Okay, we'll do the front plate. I might pull the front plate off actually to do this one, just because the brake line's in the way, and that one there. We'll start upside down, that way I get the hole in the center. Sweet, come out pretty good. Fit it back on. We've got the other shroud here. I will start from this side this time and work backwards. Might be a little bit better off. See how we go. Well, that one's done. They come up better than the other side. It's just a bit easier. It's a lot when you got this little bit here, because this little bit can stretch or shrink, and depending on that. And as you can see, the sticker has just stretched just a little bit for me, probably massaging it on. This one here doesn't quite line up, and it stepped back a bit there. But other than that, I reckon it come up pretty good. Well, that was probably the best one yet. Went on nice. Just ignore all those marks. It's just a little bit of the glue gets on my fingers and rub it. All right, let's go do the swing arm stickers, and then we'll be all but done. Just gotta wipe the swing arm down. And because it's so cold here at the moment, it always helps, because that's aluminium, to warm up the aluminium a bit. It just helps the sticker stick a bit better. Doesn't have to be like boiling hot, just warmer, like just like 20 degrees, 25 degrees or something like that. And try not to touch the back of the sticker here with your fingers. I don't know if you can see there, that little bit where I've touched it there. It actually will leave a mark. And you'll see it straight through the clear sticker. Okay, so I just got the fork guard here. Same again, I've had to cut the fork guard out along here to fit the wheel in. So I'm gonna have to cut a lot of that sticker off, but luckily the actual Element 22 logo is still on there. So we'll just get into it, line her up, have a feel. Where do you reckon it's gonna fit? It's been a while since I've done a fork guard. They're usually a bit hard because they're quite curved, but we'll just get into it. Sweet, that one turned out pretty good. Just that excess sticker there I'm gonna have to cut off. Just have to go and find the blade to go and cut it. It's all done now. If you think I've done a bad job, let me know. But if you think I've done a good job, let me know and I can do yours. But anyway, that's it for now. I'm going to bed. It's late.